with the ball in. Free header! Again! Lightning strikes twice. It happened in the semi and it's happened in the final. This time, Alfendra with the ball in. It was another flat throw, and Ramadan Sananta makes absolutely no mistake with the header. Flicked it on, it did look as though it took a deflection going in then. There's the throw, there's the header, and that's the knee of Songchai. Got in front of his man, Songchai gets in front of his keeper. And again, it's another dream start for Indonesia. Escudero just launches that one long. Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh yes! What a gamble! Ramadan Sananta with his second of the game. Shocking defending. Songchai and Kamdi just don't deal with the ball, but Ramadan Sananta just goes and attacks it and just flicks it straight in the air. It's his second, but it's come at such a pivotal time in the game. The drop ball, the long ball forwards, Songchai doesn't deal with it, Kamdi doesn't deal with it. Sananta has just gone and attacked the ball. And who said football is a complicated game? There's nothing wrong with that at all. Long ball punted forwards, your striker attacks it, gets are in the ascendancy. We said that next goal was going to be critical, and it really, really was. Oh, a mistake though, and a chance here. Irfan Juhair is in behind. Irfan, what a finish! Oh, what a finish! Go on, son! Defensive mistake from Thailand. It's a mistake individual, but Irfan Juhair with an absolute deft touch. What a finish that was. Just a couple of minutes into stopping. Rio Fami. Fajar! Surely that's it. Surely that is game over. He scored in stoppage time against the Philippines earlier on. He scored against Myanmar. He scored 2 against Timor-Leste. Fajar now becomes joint top goal scorer in the competition, along with Ramadan Sananta and Gwen Van Tung. That just about seals it. Took his time and buried it in the top corner. Perfect finish. Right in the corner. No chance at all. That 2-goal advantage is back. Here's Fajar. Just bends it into the far post. Simple tapping. Oh, what a save. What a stunning save. But now Beckham. Game over. Game over. He scored against Cambodia. He scored again here tonight. He's probably going to get a yellow card, but I don't think that will bother him. It's the final nail in the coffin. And you can see what it means to them. Great ball in from Fajat. What a stunning save that was from Titterwood, but Beckham in the right place at the right time. Just created that yard for himself and drilled it into that bottom corner.